Thank you so much for requesting more information about our CompTIA approved Network Plus training program. Watch this video from start to end so you have a clear understanding before you purchase the course. This course is 100% online live. It's a 4 weeks exam prep training course which focuses on precisionally on you passing the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Now, this course is a 4 weeks long course, which means it's 1 day a week we will meet online, which will be 2 hours long. This is on Eastern Standard Time Zone. Message on WhatsApp for the class dates, class start dates, and class timings as well, so you can have a better idea. Now, for the first 10 students, we do always run an early bird offers, and the payment link will tell you if the early bird is available or not, or it goes to a regular pricing. Okay, so the early bird offer is always 350 Canadian dollars. Our regular pricing is 1,350. So for the first 10 students who register, we'll get it for $350. And you don't have to ask us every time. Just click on the link. If it says 350 Canadian dollars, go ahead and pay and secure your seat. Once you pay, it'll send you to a form where you go and fill out your information so we can create your access in our LMS. Yes, part of this course, you do get access to our LMS for up to minimum of up to 6 months. And if you need it beyond that, if you do lose access, you let us know. We will add you to your same batch, no extra fees at all. Okay. And again, before we start, I want to let you know this program for the training, this does not include the voucher code. Okay, so please do not ask us for it, but I will let you know where to go and purchase it so you know exactly where to go and purchase. Okay, you're not guessing. There's no guessing game here. I will show you everything with the LMS and where to go and purchase as well, part of this video. Okay, let's quickly get started. So why Network Plus matters. Networking is the foundation of every IT role. Help desk, system admin, network administrator, cybersecurity, cloud, and more. CompTIA Network Plus is a vendor neutral certification recognized by employers worldwide as a proof you understand how networks are built, configured, secured, and troubleshooting. Whether you're starting your first IT job, switching career into a tech, or filling a skill gap before promotion, this is one of the most requested certification for entry to mid-level networking and infrastructure role. This is actually very good for entry as well. Okay, so what is vendor neutral? Cisco has certification called CCNA. Aruba has their own certification. Ubiquiti has their own networking certifications, but these are meant to be working on their equipment, not universal. Networking Plus is universal. That's the reason why employers around the world love it, because once you know this, you know the foundation, how network works, and you know how to program a router, switch, access point, everything. But you will just have to learn Cisco commands, which is very easy because you do have it covered basically on the Networking Plus as well. Okay, the basic commands, but with the vendor manuals, you learn all of that. It's very simple after you know the foundation of networking. What makes this course different? Most courses try to cover everything in CompTIA's objective, including the things you'll naturally pick up on the job. We don't. We build this course around one goal, helping you pass the exam efficiently. This course is exam focused, not everything focused. We teach you what actually is tested, not every small detail you'll naturally learn at work. This is 100% beginner friendly. You do not need to know prior IT experience is needed. We start from the foundation and build up so you can pass the exam, and no hidden expenses. Again, I told you from the first, this course does not include the voucher for the Network Plus, and I'll show you where to go and purchase that. Okay. Course format, it's 4 weeks long. We meet 1 day a week on Eastern Time Zone. Each class is 2 hours long, and it's 100% online live. This is not in person. The group of students, what we like to have in the class is 15 to 20 students. A small group, more attention. All classes are recorded and posted on LMS. If you miss a live session or want to review it, you're covered. And minimum of 6 months, and after that too, if you do need, you still access. What you learn. So this is basically what CompTIA's objective are, okay? But from the objective, we will take exactly what you need to pass the exam itself. But for this, I'll just go to our LMS, which will give you a better understanding of it. 1 second. Okay, so this is our LMS. Let me just shrink myself down so you can see better. So this is our LMS. When you sign up, this is part of a course that already happened previously, like last month, but this is for your month. This will be populated every class, every live class. The video will get posted here. The live classes are recorded from the start of the class to end of the class. Okay, so you do not miss anything. Even the lecture, people ask you a question, any end remarks, it will be recorded and posted on our LMS. And this you can access. And each week we'll cover a certain topic, and each topic has a weight factor in the exam, and we try to cover just that so you can pass the exam. Remember, this is exam focused, not everything focused. Okay, so we cover just the thing you need to pass the exam. So network concept, first week we jump in, this is 23% in the exam itself. Next week we cover network implementation, which is 20% in the exam. Week 3 we cover network operation and network security. Network operations is 19%, network security is just 14%. You get about 5 questions in the whole total exam itself. Okay, now week 4 covers a network troubleshooting, which is 24%. This is the last week of the class, which covers everything. This is not the magic of our course, and the reason why we are very successful and we have the arrogancy to say you will pass the exam, or you will pay for your second attempt. That's part of the course as well. So the reason is because of our mock exam simulator. So each exam, each module has their own mock exam that you can actually go and write and simulate the exam. How this works is, for you to qualify for the 100% pass guarantee, or we will pay for your second, each exam you have to get 80% on the mock exam itself, each of them twice. As long as you get 2 times 80% on each mock exam and you write all 5 of them, so you should have total of 10, 2 for each, which means total of 10, 80% or more on the mock exam, and you go and write the exam, you will pass it. There's no option. And if you don't, come to us with the results, we will pay for your second attempt. Okay, so that's how it works. Now, to talk about CompTIA Network Plus, if you go on Google and just search up for CompTIA Network Plus, you'll be given the CompTIA's official page, which goes like this: CompTIA.org and then certifications. Okay, so we'll go here. Let me just reset the view. Perfect. When you go here, and exactly what we told you here to the weight factor. Okay, this is what they want you to cover, and this is what we covered. And if you want to buy the certificate, if you want to buy the exam voucher, you're going to buy now. Scroll down, and you get the Network Plus voucher for 399 USD. Of this time we're recording this video, and sometimes it does go up and down based on country and the time of year. So it's actually really cheap, or it's relatively went up by $1 or $2, I think, because of the whole gas thing, right? So, but this is perfect. You go here and you add to cart and you buy it. You go on with it. This is officially from CompTIA as well. Okay, so there's no confusion here. This is where you go to buy the CompTIA certifications. Now let's go back into our thing. So what's included? Again, we have the 4 live classes, total of 8 hours, 500 plus practice question with a simulator. You're not just looking through a book of question and circling it. You actually go through an exam simulator that will feel like a real exam, and it's timed and it's marked. So, and it's meant to get you the mentality of you passing the exam. 6 months of recording minimal. Every class is uploaded in our LMS. Rewatch it anytime for up to 6 months, and if you needed more, just message us with your course ID, which you'll get once you pay, so we can help you out. And you get us instructor support. If you have any questions, you can email myself or WhatsApp me, and then we will get you answered right away. Okay. And 100% pass guaranteed, 100% pass guarantee, or we will pay for your second attempt. As I said, each module you just have to do it 2 times, and you have to get 80% or more on each of the module, and then you go and write the exam. You will pass the thing. Okay, but you cannot, after you write the exam, you cannot delay it. You have to write it within 30 days of all the exams you have passed, right? So you cannot delay it for 6 months and then go and write it, because you'll forget everything. So if you wrote all the 5 module twice and you're getting 80%, and you have up to 30 days to go ahead and write it. So usually our students, they do not fail. That's the arrogancy we have. Okay, if you fail, come and see us with the results and your mock exam simulator exams results as well. We will pay for your second attempt. Okay, this is a complete beginner course. There's no experience needed. New to IT, new to the whole education background, whatever it is, this is beginner. You do not have to have, but you have to have the courage to do it, and you have to have consistency and discipline to do this. Okay, career change, looking to move into tech from another industry with a recognized credential to back it up. IT professional already in a tech role and want to formalize your networking knowledge for a promotion or a raise. Our approach: we've taken the official CompTIA's objective and distilled them down to exactly what you need to pass, cutting out the parts that are better learned on the job and spending class time where it actually counts for the exam. Our students don't walk away knowing everything about networking. They walk away knowing exactly what they need to pass the Networking Plus exam with the confidence and practice to back it up. Enrollment and price. Remember, I told you this in the beginning. When you message us, we will send you a link to make the payment, and that link will automatically change from the early bird to the regular pricing automatically. You do not have to ask us all the time. So just click on the link and you'll be able to make the payment. Once you make the payment, it'll send you to a form. Please fill it in, okay? So we will send you the LMS login details. But the early bird pricing is 350 Canadian dollars for the whole course, which includes everything what we talked about, even the 100% pass guaranteed. With the second attempt, we will pay for it if you failed, okay? And this is open worldwide. There's nothing, as long as you can join from the Eastern time zone or watch the recording, it doesn't matter. You do not have to join the live classes to be qualified for the 100% pass guarantee, okay? But our regular pricing is 1,350 Canadian dollars, okay? This does not include the exam voucher. How to register? Message on WhatsApp with the Network Plus on WhatsApp to start the conversation. Get the details. We'll confirm the seats available and send you the registration link. Once you get the link, click on the link, and if the link is active and it tells you $350, you know you're in the early bird. You don't have to ask us, okay? If it says 1,350, you know you already passed the early bird. If you want to pay the 1,350 and join, or join the next batch, it doesn't matter. Secure your spot. Complete the payment to lock your seat. We do not hold seat back for anyone. It is a first come, first served basis, okay? Ready to get started? Message us on WhatsApp with the Network Plus right now. All 10 early bird spots are still open for the next batch until it gets full, and then when the next batch opens up, will still be again, okay, after that. All right, so final thing is, see you in class. It's a 4 weeks live class. I'll see you there. Let's have fun. We'll get you passed on Network Plus.